Welcome to Swagxcyber, your go-to destination for cybersecurity and ethical exploiting. My name is Kancharana Chandrakant and I'm the creator of Swagxcyber. As a certified ethical hacker and certified in cybersecurity expert, I'm excited to share my knowledge and profound experience with you all. With the ever-growing importance of online security, I believe it's crucial to educate and empower individuals to protect themselves and their organizations from cyber threats. On this channel, our main motive is to provide in-depth tutorials, clear and concise explanations of each and every topic, as well as guides on various aspects of cybersecurity, including web application hacking, penetration testing, and vulnerability exploitation. I'll also be sharing my own experiences, tips, and best practices to help you improve your skills and stay ahead of the ever-evolving cyber threats. Before we dive into the world of ethical hacking, I want to emphasize the importance of permission and authorization. As a responsible and ethical hacker, I only work with companies that have explicitly granted me permission to test their websites, systems, and identify vulnerabilities. I encourage all my viewers to do the same and respect the boundaries of others' digital properties. If you're really passionate about cybersecurity and ethical hacking, then be sure to subscribe Swagxcyber and hit that notification bell to be the first informed security enthusiast. Let's work together to make this cyber world a safer place. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.